Well, there are many inventions. Kaya sa mundo ngayon, maraming umiiral na thoughts or schools of thought which are very far from reality. Basahin natin muna ang Ecclesiastes Kapitulo 7, versikulo 29.
Narito, ito lamang ang aking nasumpungan, na ginawang matuwid ng Diyos ang tao, ngunit nagsihanap sila ng maraming katha.
Sa English, ang sabi diyan, Lo, this only have I found, that God had made man upright, but they have sought out many inventions. In the world, there are many inventions. Kaya sa mundo ngayon, maraming umiiral na thoughts or schools of thought which are very far from reality. Just like what they call soulmate. It is not true. Biblically speaking, and in reality, it's not true. Why are there people who died without meeting their soulmate? Who died a spinster? Namatay na matandang lalaki. Si Kristo, hindi nag-asawa. Apostle Paul did not marry. The minister of the gospel, Titus, Stephen, Timothy, walang asawa. How will you believe na tayo merong soulmate? Kung yun ang totoo, every one of us dapat nakatagpo ng asawa. Ang ba nang gagaling kung magkakaasawa ka, magkakaroon ka ng soulmate? Do we have to take it in general na tayong lahat may soulmate? Saan ang gagaling? 19, 14 ng Kawikaan.
Bahay at mga kayamanan ay minamana sa mga magulang, ngunit ang mabait na asawa ay galing sa Panginoon.
Iyan bigay ng Diyos yan pagkailangan. Pagtapat ka sa Diyos, bibigyan ka niya ng mabait na asawa. Meron kasi, ang nasusumpungan sa buhay, hindi mabait na asawa. Asawa na pain ni Satanas para ikaw ay ihiwalay sa Diyos. Tanggapin mo't hindi, merong mga asawa, hindi sa Diyos. Kakaliwain ka, gagawin ka ng masama, gusto lang sa'yo pera, hindi ka niya mahal. That is reality in life. Not all wives come from the Lord. A prudent wife is from the Lord. But if you have a wife which is not a prudent wife, hindi ang Diyos ang may bigay sa'yo nun. How can you now claim na bawat isa sa atin merong soulmate? Hindi totoo yun. Galing yan sa Egyptian mythology, not from the Bible. Let us read the info.
In terminology, soulmate or split soul theory is an Egyptian Greek religion mythology, clay creation myth-based, origin of humans model, which posits that humans originated in pairs, bound in one body, with one original soul, but were split in two, supposedly for doing something offensive to the gods, after which the newly separated humans forever wandered the earth in search of their long-lost soulmate, so to reunite their incomplete souls and become one again.
How is that? If that is true, then the Apostle Paul was lost forever because he did not find his soulmate all throughout his lifetime. Stephen likewise, Titus, the most famous laborers of Christ for the gospel are single people. Although we do not deny the fact that mayroong mga apostol nagkaasawa, pero to say that a human being is created a soul, then was split into two. Mali yun. It is not true. Bakit? If you are going to travel the world to find your soulmate because you were split in, there